Welcome back our 4th standard computer science online class. Today we are discuss the new lesson Windows over the years. Today we are discuss some various versions of Windows. First, Windows means operating system. The Microsoft company is the world popular company that manufacture the Windows. The operating system short form is OS. The Microsoft company that manufacture software, search engine, programming platform and the cloud computing system, etc. Then it found the Microsoft founders are William Henry Gates and Paul Allen. Then it is registered the year is 1975. The very early OS made by the Microsoft was MS-DOS. The first operating system is MS-DOS. It is the basic OS. Then MS-DOS stands for Microsoft Disk Operating System. Then it is a single processor OS. That means it uses only single user operating system. Okay. Then it has no GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Then it is a command line based OS. Can you understand, students? The next one, Windows 9X. It is the basis of graphical user interface. Then it is based OS. The Windows 9X corresponding to this series were Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 98 SE. SE stands for second edition. Then Windows Me. The next one, Windows 95. The Windows 95 has the most significant improvement previous Microsoft product. Then it merged the MS-DOS Microsoft with Windows product. All of you see the figure 7.1. இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லோகோ ஆஃப் விண்டோஸ் 95. நீங்கள் வந்து கம்ப்யூட்டரையோ இல்லைனா லேப்டாப்பையோ ஆன் பண்ணும்போது ஸ்க்ரீனில் வந்து நம்ம என்ன ஓஎஸ் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுறோமோ அதோட நேம் டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். அதுதான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா லோகோன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்போ 7.1 வந்து லோகோ ஆஃப் விண்டோஸ் 95. விண்டோஸ் 95 ஓஎஸோட லோகோ வந்து டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணியிருக்கு. ஓகேவா? தென் the 3 years after the Microsoft came with the Windows 98. Then it entered the support of Windows 95 on December 31st, 2001. Then Windows 95 is the 16-bit Windows programs and device drivers. Okay. The next operating system, Windows 98. The Windows 98 is the second major operating system. Then it is a graphical operating system also. Then the second edition of Windows 98 is released on 999. Then it used the startup sound also. It is composed by Ken Keto. Ken Keto is a person of Microsoft sound engineer. Okay. Then all of you take your book page number 68. The Windows 98 include the Internet Explorer 4.01. It is the first edition. The second edition is 5.0 also used in the Windows 98 operating system. Then the Windows 98 second edition enhanced version of Windows 98 is released on May 5, 1999. All of you see the figure 7.4. It is the desktop screen of Windows 98. Can you understand, students? Okay. Then one more information. You want to refresh the screen, just press the F5 key. Okay, in the keyboard. The next operating system, Windows Me. The Windows Me is a graphical operating system. Then it is released in the September 2000. The Windows Me full form is Windows Millennium Edition. Then it is mainly used for home PC user. It is the last OS released under the Windows 9X line. Okay. The next one, Windows NT line of OS. Windows NT stands for New Technology. Okay. The Windows Me was released at the end of the Windows 9X series. The Windows NT showed in the beginning. Okay. Then it is a processor independent, then the multiprocessing and the multi-user operating system also. Can you understand, students? The remainder portions we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, students.